Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the essentials. Make sure the Apple ID email and password are correct and that a trusted phone number is listed. Once done, add a device that can receive codes, either an iPhone, iPad, or phone number for SMS. If you only have Android, prepare an authenticator app or temporary access to a trusted iOS device. This step matters because Apple sends verification codes only to trusted channels. Make sure you now trigger the sign-in flow on your Android or at web. Apple.com, enter your Apple ID and password and wait. When prompts ask for a verification code, select the option that says you didn't get a code or request it be sent to a trusted phone number. If you use an authenticator app, open it to find the 6-digit code. If you picked SMS, read the message. This matters because codes refresh quickly. Use the current code within 30 to 60 seconds. You finish by entering the 6-digit code on the Android sign-in screen and confirming access. Once accepted, you're signed in. If the code is rejected or expired, request a new code and verify your phone's clock is accurate. Time drift breaks time-based codes. If SMS never arrives, try the authenticator, use a trusted iOS device, or start Apple ID account recovery. One key troubleshooting tip. Make sure the trusted phone number is reachable and that network or carrier blocks aren't preventing SMS delivery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.